Hey everybody, look at this fun indoor game. Let's make it. For that, take an empty box, cut it and draw a chick figure. Then we are going to cut a bottle and paste it on the back of the box, and look, it is ready. Cut this bottle into half. We are going to make a hole and put straw inside. We are making a very fun game here. So seal it using hot glue gun, and look, your game is ready. You can blow it using straw. Let's make this football indoor game. Let's make it. Take an empty box and we are going to put a green paper inside it. Make the ground. Then we are going to put a rubber band like this. After that, make balls like we are doing here. Color it black, cut it, make such balls, and look, it is ready. Let's make soap bubble. We are going to make a soap solution first on this bowl. Now we are going to put a straw, blow it, and look at the bouncy soap bubble. You can play it at your home. Look at this arrow. Let's make it. We are going to cut these ice cream sticks and paste all of them using hot glue gun. Put an earbud. You can make arrow using this hair clip. Put a rubber band, and look, your arrow is ready and you can play this game at your home. Look at this moving jellyfish creative craft. Let's make it. For that, take a straw, bend it, now cut it like this. Now put a paper pen, and look, your jellyfish is ready. Paste its googly eyes and put it inside a bottle filled with water, and look, it's ready. Let's make this fun little craft at home. We are going to cut these eyes on the paper for straw and cut them like this. After that, we are going to paste them on this transparent glove. Now put them on the top of this paper cup and tie it using rubber band like this. Put a straw in the hole and it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.